In this quick video, I'll show you how you can add a contact form to Google Sites. Now this is very easy. So here's what you need to do. So first go to the website you want to add the contact form to. I'll just choose this random one as an example. It doesn't matter what the contents of the website actually is. So now once you're on the website, you want to go to Pages, and I'm just going to delete this already existing one. You want to go to Pages, and then you want to click here where it says New Page. And then in the new page name, you want to type in Contact Us or Contact, whatever you want. Click Done. So now what you can do, if you go to Insert, you can actually insert from Google Drive, and you can insert a Contact Us form. So the next step you want to do is go ahead and go over to Google Forms. Now, the easiest way to get here is just by Googling Google Forms, and then just go into the first one here. And that will obviously take you inside of Google Forms where you can now create a Contact Us form. So now you can use a template or you can start from blank. I'll just go ahead and start from blank here. And then you've got your untitled form. So you would title this Contact Us. And then by default, you're going to have email. What you would also probably want to add is go to add question. And then I'm going to put here name. And we'll leave that on a short answer. Okay, so now we've got name and email. The last one we might want to add, if we go to add question here, you might want to say something like contact us. And then here I'm going to change this from short answer to a paragraph so they can write a paragraph here. And I'm going to actually drag this contact us here to the bottom, or drag name on top. There we go. So we've got email, we've got name, we've got contact us. Now we can go ahead and add this to Google Sites. So now go to send in the top right hand corner, and you can send it via email. So I'm just going to send it to my email. Click send. Now we can go back to Google Sites. We can go and click on Drive, and we now should have in my Drive, we should now have that Contact Us form. So if we go to recent, you can see from today, this is the Contact Us form. We can now drag this on here. Or click on it, click insert, and there you go. Here is the Contact Us form, email, name, and Contact Us. And there you go. And once you're happy with that, click publish. And then if we view the site, you can see Contact Us page, and they can then enter in these fields and contact us. So that's how you do it. I hope that helps you out.